Can you please help me with my bags?
你可以帮我提行李吗？
Can you please help me with my bags? Can you please help me with my bags? Is the train station far from here?
火车站离这里远吗？
Is the train station far from here? Is the train station far from here? Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
不好意思，公车站在哪里？
Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Excuse me, where is the bus stop? Turn left at the corner.
在转角处左转。
Turn left at the corner. Turn left at the corner. What time is the next bus?
下一班车是几点？
What time is the next bus? What time is the next bus? Which bus goes to the city center?
哪班公车可以到市中心？
Which bus goes to the city center? Which bus goes to the city center? I need a ticket to London.
我需要一张去伦敦的车票。
I need a ticket to London. I need a ticket to London. Is this the right platform?
这个月台正确吗？
Is this the right platform? Is this the right platform? Can I walk to the museum?
我能步行到博物馆吗？
Can I walk to the museum? Can I walk to the museum? Where can I rent a car?
哪里可以租车？
Where can I rent a car? Where can I rent a car? Please take me to this address.
请载我到这个地址。
Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. I'm sorry, I don't understand English very well.
对不起，我的英语不太好。
I'm sorry, I don't understand English very well. I'm sorry, I don't understand English very well. Could you speak slowly, please?
请你说慢一点好吗？
Could you speak slowly, please? Could you speak slowly, please? I have a stomachache.
我肚子痛。
I have a stomachache. I have a stomachache. I need to buy some aspirin.
我需要买点阿司匹林。
I need to buy some aspirin. I need to buy some aspirin. Please call a doctor.
请帮我叫医生。
Please call a doctor. Please call a doctor. Where is the emergency room?
急诊室在哪里？
Where is the emergency room? Where is the emergency room? How do you spell that?
那个怎么拼写？
How do you spell that? How do you spell that? I lost my wallet.
我的钱包丢了。
I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. Where is the information desk?
咨询台在哪里？
Where is the information desk? Where is the information desk? Where can I find a bank?
哪里可以找到银行？
Where can I find a bank? Where can I find a bank? I'm looking for a gift shop.
我想找一家礼品店。
I'm looking for a gift shop. I'm looking for a gift shop. Where is the cafeteria?
餐厅在哪里？
Where is the cafeteria? Where is the cafeteria? What time does the park open?
公园几点开门？
What time does the park open? What time does the park open? Are there any tours today?
今天有导览行程吗？
Are there any tours today? Are there any tours today? Is it okay to take photos here?
这里可以拍照吗？
Is it okay to take photos here? Is it okay to take photos here? How much does this cost?
这个多少钱？
How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Do you have this in a larger size?
这个有更大码的吗？
Do you have this in a larger size? Do you have this in a larger size? Is there a cheaper one?
有更便宜的吗？
Is there a cheaper one? Is there a cheaper one? Can I pay with my phone?
我可以用手机支付吗？
Can I pay with my phone? Can I pay with my phone? Do you take cash or cards?
收现金还是刷卡？
Do you take cash or cards? Do you take cash or cards? Is there a discount?
有优惠吗？
Is there a discount? Is there a discount? I would like to buy this.
我想买这个。
I would like to buy this. I would like to buy this. A table for one, please.
请给我一张单人桌。
A table for one, please. A table for one, please. Do you have a menu in Chinese?
有中文菜单吗？
Do you have a menu in Chinese? Do you have a menu in Chinese? I'm allergic to milk.
我对牛奶过敏。
I'm allergic to milk. I'm allergic to milk. What is the special today?
今天的特色菜是什么？
What is the special today? What is the special today? Can I have a glass of water?
可以给我一杯水吗？
Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? I'd like a cup of tea.
我想要一杯茶。
I'd like a cup of tea. I'd like a cup of tea. Is this dish very spicy?
这道菜很辣吗？
Is this dish very spicy? Is this dish very spicy? Can we have the bill now?
可以现在结账吗？
Can we have the bill now? Can we have the bill now? I have a room reservation.
我预订了房间。
I have a room reservation. I have a room reservation. Does the room have a hairdryer?
房间有吹风机吗？
Does the room have a hairdryer? Does the room have a hairdryer? My room is too noisy.
我的房间太吵了。
My room is too noisy. My room is too noisy. Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.?
早上7点能叫醒我吗？
Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Is the breakfast free?
早餐是免费的吗？
Is the breakfast free? Is the breakfast free? The Wi-Fi is not working.
无线网络无法使用。
The Wi-Fi is not working. The Wi-Fi is not working. Can you call a taxi for me?
可以帮我叫计程车吗？
Can you call a taxi for me? Can you call a taxi for me? Do you have a phone charger I can use?
可以借用手机充电器吗？
Do you have a phone charger I can use? Do you have a phone charger I can use? My phone has no signal.
我的手机没有讯号。
My phone has no signal. My phone has no signal.